This ex-prisoner reveals the shocking truth about workers in animal slaughterhouses.
They kill at least about 3,000 cows a day. That's a lot of killing, a lot of blood going on. 80 hours a week, might even work more. It's really mentally disturbing. Sometimes you can have nightmares, just dreaming about slaughtering and all that, and there's always possibilities that you might just snap. 85% of them have been in prison. It's just really a bad idea for a person that's been locked up for a long time. And you carry knives and blood everywhere and killing them cows or being around it.
Then he was asked, what if you just can't do it?
To give you a job, you have no choice but to work it. You have to do what they tell you to do, and if you don't, they send you back. Get sent back to prison.
What are your thoughts on this topic? Leave a comment and enjoy the rest of your day.